But then we faced another problem, which is that we were really ahead of our time. At this time that we were formulating this idea, building this demo, filing our first patent, we were a year ahead of the iPod. There was no market for digital music. There was no iTunes. That was still a couple, 2 or 3 years ahead. And the world just was not set up for success for a company like Shazam. And we were actually even farther ahead of our time because the iPhone was 7 years away. So a lot of the things that we envisioned around having these interactive experiences showing the album art was not possible. Listening to music on a mobile phone, streaming music was not possible. There weren't even 3G networks yet launched. Having a GUI, graphical user interface, so that users could add songs to playlists and share songs with friends and so on. None of that was possible because these phones were so far away. And distribution, getting to users, there was no app store. No iPhone app store, no Android app store, no app store of any type, no apps of any type. So we had to if we could build this service, how were people going to know about it? How are they going to discover it? How are they going to use it? And this is what we had to work with. This was the most popular phone in the year that Shazam launched. Does anyone remember this old Nokia phone? It's actually a pretty cool phone. Nokia, I think it was the 8310, I believe. 3310. 84 by 48 monochrome pixels. But no ability to do any of the things that we mentioned. And so when Shazam launched, the way we launched the service is you dialed a 4-digit phone number and a voice phone call. Our interactive voice response system, IVR, answered the phone. We recorded, we said, hold your phone to the music. And then after 15 seconds, we would hang up the call and send a text message directly to your phone with the name of the song. And that was Shazam. If we succeeded in identifying the song, we charged 50 pence, because the UK was our first market. If we failed to identify the song, it was free. That was our business model, because there was no digital music, no paid apps, no anything else. And that was Shazam from launch in 2002 until the App Store came out on iPhone in 2008. 6 years of barely surviving.